Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I am doing a Christmas shop with me. I am so excited to be doing this video. Like, I am all in for Christmas this year. Like, I am so excited for Christmas. So I am at Christmas Tree Shops. I don't know if this is a national chain. Shame on me if it isn't. I'm so sorry, but this is like a great place to get Christmas stuff. They are online, so there is that, but as far as like store-wide, I don't know if they're national or not. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I feel like everybody in New England is here. Like, the parking lot is bumping right now, so elbows are out, and I'm gonna try to get some good footage for you. I'm just gonna try my hardest to show you what's in there, and you can come shopping with me. Believe it or not, I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything. I'm pretty stacked when it comes to Christmas decor, but I'm always up for like new stuff. So if I see something, I'm gonna grab it, and I'll let you know if I buy anything. But this is kind of just like window shopping for me too, and to like get some ideas and see what everybody else is buying and stuff. So that's what today's video is. So make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it, and please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. And also, if you do like shop with me, and if you want me to do like another store, I would love to do that. I think I'm gonna do Dollar Tree, and I would love to do Hobby Lobby, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys like. If you like these videos, you let me know. So yeah, so let's get inside and let's go shopping.
Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you.
Up in the stars, now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone. It's true. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go.
Baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. So I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Oh my god, guys, what a nut house. Seriously, like, I really hope, I haven't obviously looked at the footage yet, I really hope it's good, but I'm sorry if there were like a lot of cuts or something, just because like it was crazy in there and I was like filming and then I have to like hide my camera because like someone would walk by. Like, it was crazy. But I want to get home and I'll show you guys what I got, but the only thing I can't show you when I get home, because it's for Evelyn, if you are a mom, or not even, if you have any young children in your life that are obsessed with LOLs, oh my god, they're like the plague. Like, that's the wrong reference, but they're awful. Like, they've taken over my life. Evelyn is obsessed with LOLs. So this is a, like, not an advent calendar, but like you pop out each little square, you get like a piece of candy in it. It was $2, and I just think this would be really fun for like Ev to, like, I don't know, like count down the holidays, you know? So that's the only thing I can't show you because I can't have it in the house with her. But I got a ton of stuff. I got 4 bags of stuff for $20. The cashier was super sweet. I guess there's a 20% off coupon going around, and I didn't have it, and she just put it in for me, so that was really nice of her. But yeah, so let me get home. I gotta change this battery because my camera's gonna die. Let me get home, and I will show you what I got. All right, I'm home. Just had pizza. It was delicious. And I'm gonna show you everything that I got. I didn't get a ton. Like I said, we're pretty good with Christmas decorations. We have a lot, but I'm a little obsessed and I always buy more. So of course I had to buy these. These are our favorite. They're amazing. I got this cute little snowman. I figured he would be good in my kitchen counter. And actually, this is the little tree I bought. Isn't he? I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. It's so cute though. I love this little tree. He was really cheap too. How much was he? He was $8. So actually I figured I would put this little tree, like my little fall corner. If you guys watched my kitchen fall decor, I figure I'm gonna like clean all this out and I'm gonna decorate with this little tree. I love the way it looks when I turn the lights off. I think it's just really cute and really festive, and it gives a cute ambiance to the room. I also bought this whipped foam topping for coffees. Chris said that it's not pumpkin season anymore, but I disagree. I think that pumpkin pie goes all the way through Christmas. And then lastly, I got these little tea light holders. Oh my goodness. They were $2.49 a piece. I got 2 of them, and you just put your tea lights in. And that's it. Actually, that's all I got other than what I just showed you in the car, the LOL calendar. But yeah, I figured it'll look something like that with this little snowman guy right here. And I'll put a few other things, but that is all I got. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know you like it. And let me know if you want me to do other stores. Like I said, I really think I'm gonna do Dollar Tree. I think I'm gonna do Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure yet, but you let me know. That is the end of this video. I love you guys forever, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.